In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI Slack assistant. We'll set up a custom Slack app, connect it to OpenAI, and run it through a simple Python script so it can respond when someone mentions it in Slack. This is a practical way to bring AI directly into your team workspace without needing to build a full web app or manage a public server during development. To begin, open your browser and go to the Slack developer dashboard at api.slack.com/apps. Click the button to create a new app, then choose the option to build it from scratch. Give your app a clear name and select the Slack workspace where you have the proper admin access. Once that's done, create the app. Next, enable socket mode. In the app settings sidebar, open the socket mode section and turn it on. Slack will prompt you to generate an app level token. Give that token a simple label, generate it, and save it somewhere secure. This token is important because it allows your script to maintain a live connection to Slack without exposing a public endpoint. After that, configure the bot's permissions. Go to OAuth and permissions, then scroll to the bot token scopes area. Add the scopes for reading app mentions, writing chat messages, and viewing channel history. These permissions let the assistant detect when it's tagged, send replies back into Slack, and understand message context in public channels. Then scroll back up, install the app to your workspace, approve the access request, and securely save the bot token that Slack generates. Now open a new browser tab and go to the OpenAI API keys page. Create a new secret key, give it a label if you'd like, and store it securely as well. You'll use this key to authorize requests from your Python assistant script to the AI model. With the credentials ready, move to your terminal and create a clean project folder. Install the required Python packages, Slack/Bolt and OpenAI. Then create a file called assistant.py and paste in your script. The script imports the needed libraries, initializes the Slack app and OpenAI client using environment variables, and listens for app mention events. When someone tags the bot in Slack, the code removes the mention from the message, sends the cleaned prompt to the AI model, and posts the response back into the same thread. It also includes basic error handling, so the bot can fail gracefully if something goes wrong. Finally, make sure your environment variables are set for the OpenAI key, the Slack bot token, and the Slack app token. Then run the script. Once it starts, your AI Slack assistant will be live and ready to respond inside your workspace.